Hello, back with another unboxing for you of what has become, I think, one of my favorite products, or my favorite type of product, the 3D pen. This is from a company called 3Design, and price right now on Amazon is $147.95. It is a 3Design 3D pen, bonus professional three-dimensional drawing pen with OLED display and temperature adjustment for art, craft, and design, and for model making. White with 5 free filaments. Yeah, that's what it says on there. But nice little box we have going here. Magnetic closure on it for you. We open it up and we have our user guide. Fairly straightforward stuff in here. It tells you what's in it, basically how to work it. What do we have here? Just troubleshooting operation instructions, how to cut your filament, basic stuff here. It does use 1.75 millimeter filament, which is the standard common stuff. And the pen can use PLA or ABS filament, which is nice. Yeah, you can use both. But we have, let's see here, in the box. One thing nice about this pen actually is it's USB powered, which is kind of cool. The power supply is a standard, USB wall wart type of deal, which you get these with your cell phone basically. Inside here we have a pen, or not a pen, sorry, a pin. This little unclogging type pin here, screwdriver, I guess that's what that is. I don't know, but this here is just a standard Phillips style screwdriver, cross Phillips, whatever you want to call it. There is no extra, there's no extra tip in here. I also have the Morph pen, which is very, very similar to this, and it's USB powered as well, but they give you an extra tip. This one doesn't. But here's the pen itself. We have plus minus to change the temperature. We have an OLED display that lights up, which I'll hook it up USB real quick and show it to you. But here's arrows forward and back, which to advance the filament and reverse the filament for loading. You can double press the buttons as well. You double press them, and it's a constant stream, so it makes it loading and unloading easy. You can double press reverse, double press forward, same thing. Then over here on the right side is a slider, which is to adjust the speed of the filament. Now forward is actually slow. This way, back is faster, which is kind of odd. You'd think forward would make it go faster forward, but oh well. Now the back here we have our power on the top, and then the little hole on the bottom is for the filament. We have our little tip here where the filament comes out. Caution hot, of course, you don't want to touch that. Inside, let me see if I can pop it open here without doing any damage to it here, because I like this. I'd like to keep it. There it goes. Now you can see the inner workings of how it works. We have our little gear here, which when the filament comes in, this gear actually pulls the filament through this tube, and then it gets extruded out the front. And also, that's what this little screwdriver is for here. So you take this screw out, and you can replace the tip if need be. Because they do wear out after a while, but it happens. Let me grab this. Here it is. Sorry, should have had that nearby. This is just a power supply. There's a little bit of power on here. That's the other thing nice about these type of pens. You can actually use a battery, like this, and you can take it with you. You can draw anywhere. You don't need a power outlet. See, there we go. I don't know if you can read that there. Let's get this closer. It says welcome. It says ABS. Target T210, which ABS is 210. But if you press back and I think it's plus, yeah, it changes to PLA filament. So it automatically adjusts the temperature for it. But you can change it manually, to whatever you need it to be or whatever you think it should be. Sometimes you do want it hotter or cooler. Depends on the type of project you're doing, which I know I've done before. I've done, on various projects. Here's a quick little project I did. This is the Nintendo Switch dog. I made him, actually he's all totally movable. I did this with the 3D pen. Not this one, but one very similar to it. I'll be making some more with this one, and you know, I will have them in the actual review to show you. Now, so far, this is a very nice pen. It's extremely lightweight. As I said, it's very similar to the Morph pen, which I find very comfortable to use. It fits in the hand nicely. The buttons are very easy to reach while you're working on it, and then of course we have our slider here for speed. It's a bit on the expensive side at $147 because I believe the Morph pen is only about, I think it's $60. But that's about it. Oops, sorry. We have Filament. I forgot to mention the Filament that comes in the pack. Green, yellow, orange, red, and blue. It's just a sample pack. You know, you will need more. You can make some small projects, something like that out of it. But that's about it. And this is the 3Design pen, 3D pen. It's a very, very nice product. I love this style of pen. It works very well. It's comfortable to use. It's extremely lightweight. But that's it. When the review is up, I will put in the description below the full review for you, because obviously I can't make anything right now because, you know, it is a time-consuming process here. But that's it. Thanks a lot.